everybody, my name is Krista Rosh. I'm an artist here in Eugene, Oregon, and also an art instructor for Maude Kerns Art Center. Today I'm going to show you how to make colorful cork bugs with this kit. We have some instructions, paintbrush, paper, paint, glue, Q-tips for the glue, and some corks. You can see I've already started painting mine. This one is green with blue polka dots. This one is all blue. These take a little bit of time to dry, so you can do this step first. Let's paint this one a little bit yellow. I like to use the instructions to keep my table clean. I'm going to add some stripes to the top. Have some fun with this. This is the body of your bug. Alright, so my brush is all rinsed off. Now I'm going to read step number 2. While your corks dry, get your colored paper and scissors. You will use this to make the body parts for your bug. You will need at least 2 wings and 1 head. Let's see. 2 little wings for my bugs. My head's going to be a little bit of an oval. Alright, I can imagine that. So I think that I'm going to add some eyes to the head. Let's see, let's use a little bit of yellow. Bug eyes are sometimes near the side of their head. And you can use your brush to make little eyes. And then I might use my brush in the yellow to add some designs to my wings. Maybe these ones are going to be stripey. Yeah. Alright, so my corks have dried. And my heads, look at those, kind of like a dragonfly with those big eyes.
Yeah, I get it right, I get it.
And my wings, those are dry too. So now I can put them together. I'm going to do step number 4 using our glue and our Q-tips. We're going to attach the wings to the cork and let them dry. Add some glue to these ones. Okay, and then if I kind of curl the wing a little bit, I feel like it sticks pretty good. There we go. Let those dry too. Alright, well, my glue has dried on my wings. You can see one here. See one here. Now I need to add my head. I'm going to get my Q-tip again with my glue and add some glue right on top of where my wings had gone. Now I'm going to choose my face. I think this one's going to be this green with the yellow eyes. Remember, just like the wings, if we kind of bend it a little bit into like a U shape, it'll attach really easily. Press it on. And there we have it. Have fun!